Hey there, boys and girls. We have day 13 of our February daily math. So let's start with number 1. It says 7 equals 63 divided by something. We can also think of it as 7 times something equals 63, or we could also think of it as 63 divided by 7 equals that. So I'm already thinking 63 is really close to 70, which would be 10 times 7. Yeah, 9. Great job. 7 times 9 is 63. 63 divided by 9 equals 7. Number 2, Jeff has 3 quarters. Serena has 15 cents more. How much money does Serena have? So the 3 quarters, 25, 50, 75. So Jeff has 75 cents. Serena has 15 cents more than him. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Put my plus sign there. 7 plus 1 plus 1, so 7, 8, 9. How much money does Serena have? She has 90 cents. Okay, number 3, 720 plus 199 is the same as 720 plus 200 minus 1. So if we just take away the 720 plus, does 199 equal 200 minus 1? Yes. These numbers are the same, so those don't change. We are really only looking at the 199 and the 200 minus 1. So are they the same? What's 200 minus 1? It's 199. Okay? So why? Because 200 minus 1 equals 199. Max knows how to play 14 chords on his guitar. Nice job, Max. He wants to learn double that number. How many chords does he want to learn? Well, double, that would be like a multiplication times 2 problem, right? So 14 times 2. 4 times 2 is 8. 2 times 1 is 2. So he would like to learn 28. I'm going to write chords right there. 28 chords. And number 5, Tanya's mother made 48 chocolate cupcakes and 12 vanilla cupcakes. She put 2 candy hearts on each cupcake. How many candy hearts did she use? So that's not just on the 48 chocolate cupcakes, or it's not just on the 12 vanilla cupcakes. It's all of them, right? So let's add 48 plus 12. 8 plus 2 equals 10. 4 plus 1 plus 1 is 6. Now there's 60 cupcakes with 2 candy hearts on each cupcake. 6 tens, 2 times 6 is 12, so 120 candy hearts. All right, boys and girls, great job with that. Let me know if you have any questions, okay? See you tomorrow for day 14.